Welcome to Cooking and Entertaining with Lolita. Today, Lolita will teach you how to make a spicy Moroccan orange salad. Do join.
Mabuhay! I'm Lolita. Today, we'll be making a spicy Moroccan orange salad. Moroccan orange salad is a very unique salad. You may not believe it, and the garlic makes a great combination. You will love the sweetness, spiciness, and the acidity. For today, we will need the following ingredients: 3 oranges, 12 pitted black olives, half teaspoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, salt, black pepper, 1/3 cup chopped flat leaf parsley, and 3 tablespoons olive oil. First, peel the oranges and pare away the white part. I'm paring away the skin and the white part. Do this for all 3 oranges. Next, cut the orange into 8 wedges. If the oranges are not big, you can use more. I used blood oranges before, and the salad was beautiful. Next, cut the wedges into half. After cutting the oranges, put it aside. For the dressing, mix olive oil, garlic, paprika, cayenne, and vinegar, and give a whisk. Blend well with a whisk. For the final step, add the oranges, the olive, and the parsley. Combine all the ingredients together. The garlic flavor is very aromatic. The sweet, sour, and spicy taste make a great combination. And here is the finished salad. Let's have a taste. I can taste the spiciness of the garlic and the cayenne pepper, the sweetness of the orange, the saltiness of the olives. It's a great combination. I hope you try this dish. This salad goes well with lots of main course. Goes well with roast chicken, roast lamb, and even beef. Thank you for all your support to my channel. I look forward to sharing more recipes. Bye!